PC WizKids Tech Talk. We're looking at some 2012 tech predictions, also some expectations such as web browsers. Firefox and Chrome have both been pumping out releases every 2 months almost, so I wouldn't be surprised if we're going to see all the way up until Firefox version 13 and Google Chrome version 20 by the end of 2012. Opera version 12 will be out, Internet Explorer 10 and Safari 6, those are expected as well. Now moving to the cloud, that one is the shift in storing, a lot of your saved games, a lot of your data on the virtual storage space out there on the net. Would you allow that though? That's the thing. A lot of people might not like, storing a lot of their personal information on the internet or on a server somewhere else other than their local PC. But anyways, moving to the cloud is a big thing. Now, another thing is social media databases contain a lot of information, and a lot of that information is now being displayed in your search results, such as in Google, and you'll see that more and more as being a default thing now, that when you get your search results, it'll show it based on Twitter and Facebook, YouTube, things like that. Now, another thing is CPU releases in 2012. When it comes to Intel, they've got a whole massive lineup of the Ivy Bridge 22 nanometer CPUs coming out. Unfortunately, AMD only has the new Phenom 2s that they're going to come out with that support up to 8x. Okay, so we're going to see a lot of changes there. Now, when it comes to GPU, we've got the new 28 nanometer architecture coming out, which is terrific. I really look forward to the AMD 7000 series cards. I'll be reviewing lots of those, and I hope to get my hands on the 7990. Now, hybrid storage drives, that's been released this year in 2011, but we're going to see it more mainstream in 2012 because, SSDs still are not that big, and you can't store a lot of information on them, right? So it's still, a little bit expensive. So why not have a hybrid drive that has both the disk and SSD qualities built into one, and it's cheaper, and you can store more data on it, and they're faster. So that's one thing that we'll probably see come out as well. And last but not least, Windows 8, like I mentioned, the beta will be coming out shortly, and as things get ironed out, that will be obviously finalized hopefully by the end of 2012. Now the thing is, will people upgrade it? So if you have a desktop PC and you're running Windows 7, you might be happy with that and might not want to upgrade yet to Windows 8. So that might be a problem for Microsoft. But for tablet PCs and mobile devices, well, that's pretty much where Windows 8 might be beneficial, right? Because of the touchscreen and the Metro interface. So anyways, what are your predictions for 2012 when it comes to technology? Comment below, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.